friends, Mrs. Rock here. I'm here with my friend Jemmy, and today we're going to be making an origami dog. Shout out to Camden, thanks for the great idea. Here are the materials you're going to need. In order to get started on our origami dog, you're going to need some paper. You can use some origami paper or some white printer paper. You could even use some lined paper or some old homework like I used for this guy. I'm going to be using a white piece of paper to turn it into a square so I can start my origami. I'm going to take one corner of my paper and fold it up to the long edge of my paper. So I'm going to grab that corner and make sure that it's touching at that long edge of my paper. And I'm going to kind of walk my fingers over so that I can make that nice, neat crease that goes from the corner all the way to the edge of my paper. Now I'm going to cut this part off. I won't need it. Okay, I'm going to turn my triangle like this, and I'm going to make a crease down the middle here. So I'm going to take one corner, use my fingers as helpers to help make that crease, and have that corner reach all the way to the other side. And again, use my fingers to make that nice, neat crease. I'm going to open this triangle back up to this point, and I have a valley fold here. That means my fold goes down like a valley. So I'm going to flip this whole thing over, so now I have a mountain fold here. It goes up like a mountain. This is going to be the face of my dog. I'm going to take one of these corners, and I'm going to fold it downward about 2 fingers in from that middle mountain crease. So about 2 fingers in, I'm going to fold this ear down so that it comes out past the side of the face of my dog. This is going to be the top of the head. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side so that it's symmetrical. Use my fingers as helpers, about 2 fingers in from the crease, fold my ear down, make a nice neat crease. So now I have floppy little ears for my dog. I'm going to come down to this bottom corner now, and I'm going to grab both pieces of my paper and fold it up like this. This is the bottom of my dog face, and it comes up about 2 fingers. Next, I'm going to separate these 2 pieces of paper, and I'm going to put this bottom layer underneath. See how I fold it underneath? So now it's hidden inside the dog's head. I'm going to take this top part here, this corner here, and I'm folding it down so that corner touches the bottom here, and give it a nice, neat crease. Next is a little bit tricky. So I'm going to open up the dog mouth, and I'm going to take this piece here, this triangle, and I'm going to fold it back down. Now I'm going to fold it back to where it was before, inside the dog head, but instead of folding on that same crease, I'm going to make my crease a little bit lower. So instead of having my crease here, my crease is going to be a little bit lower. So now you can see the mouth is open, and that's the dog's mouth right there. Okay, but I'm not finished with it yet because I need to make a tongue. So again, I'm going to grab that triangle in there, and I'm going to fold it all the way down so that that corner is touching the bottom of the mouth. This is going to be the dog's tongue, but I don't want a pointy tongue, so I'm going to take that little corner right there and fold it under just a little bit. And that's my dog's tongue. Now I can add some fun details using markers or crayons or colored pencils to make the face of my dog. All done. So cute. Happy creating.